Well, we just had some news come out on the US economy about 30 minutes ago, and that was all really good news for the US economy with the core retail sales. It was very, very good. And that put a little bit of pressure on gold, but it didn't go down very far, eh? And sometimes that can happen. Yeah, sometimes that can happen. It goes for a little, you get that what we call a knee-jerk reaction. If we look on 15 minutes, 15 minutes, oh, well, change it to 5 minutes, change it to the 5 minute chart. And you saw that one came down there. Yeah, boom, dropped down like really hard. Thought, okay, well, it looks like gold is going to turn bullish or bearish. It looked like it went to turn bearish. But now we go back to our 4 hour chart and we see that nothing bearish about this at all. And gold is not only is gold is super bullish. And so I made my weekly analysis video yesterday, and I hope you have subscribed to the YouTube channel so you'll get notified. If you click the little bell for notifications, you'll be notified every Sunday when I make the weekly analysis for gold and the major US pairs. And this is the trade setup that I gave, the pending order, a buy limit for gold with the entry price at 23.26. That's right where the Fibonacci level is, the 38 Fibonacci level. And it might not come all the way down there. So I have a blue line there. That's 23.35. All right, that was our support last week, 23.35. Where if you took that trade last week, that was the pending order last week, 23.35, and it went up to 24.31. That was 950 pips. So I hope you were able to take advantage of that trade setup that I shared with you last week. All right, and 950 pips. If you're trading one lot, that's $9,500 in just 2 days. That started on Thursday, right at the pending order, 23.35. It went a little bit below that, but then came up all day Thursday and then all day Friday. And then I don't know what happened. After the U.S. market opened, it was going really well, went up to 24.31. It looked like there was no stopping it. And then suddenly, after about an hour and a half after the U.S. market opened, boom, it looked like somebody torpedoed the ship. And gold fell down hard, really hard, fell all the way down back to about, the low was about 23.40 or something right in there. So anyway, the buy limit for this week, gold is still bullish. Gold is super bullish. All right, super bullish. You see my little guy here, he's excited about this being super bullish. So we're going to go back up to 24.31 for sure. Maybe not today, okay, but probably this week, especially if we have any more geopolitical issues in the Middle East with the escalation of the war, then for sure we're going to see gold as a safe haven will climb to higher prices very, very quickly. I'm surprised we didn't see any movement today, but it seems like things have calmed down in the Middle East, and that's good. So we'll just see how this plays out during the week. But the buy limit 23.26, between 23.26 and 23.35. Okay, that's just a zone. There's no magical number, no magical line where you can take an order. We just know there's a zone here, a support zone, where gold is likely to come down to, and it might still come down. Okay, because of that news, the Wall Street will open in about 20 minutes. And then you have more volume, more liquidity, more volatility. So we might get a move down further based on that core retail sales news, which came out about 40 minutes ago. And if it comes down, then the pending order is likely to execute either at 23.26 or between 23.26 and 23.35. So that's the buy limit, all right? And I mean, don't sell gold. You don't want to be selling gold. Even whatever news comes out, don't be selling gold. All right. This was extremely unusual on Friday, what happened. And if you did catch that, then you were lucky. All right. But it's very, very risky to take a counter trend trade on gold right now. Gold is so super bullish. So just what you want to do is look for an opportunity to buy. And that's what this buy limit is about. Just waiting patiently for an opportunity to buy. Okay, don't be greedy. Don't chase the candles. Don't chase the candles. You saw it going down when the news came out. I hope you didn't sell, because it didn't go down very far and it already came back up. So I hope you did not sell based on the news. All right, it's going down a little bit now. Let's just be patient and see how this unfolds during the session today with the US session. And we're likely to see continuing higher prices on gold. We've already been to 24.31 and it will go back up there for sure. Okay, so you want to buy, but you want to get a good price. So just be patient and wait for it to retrace, wait for a correction, a pullback to 23.26 or 23.35, in that zone, somewhere in there, and take a buy trade. Right now trading 23.55, not too far away from our pin order. So it might execute today. All right, if you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments below. Hit like, love, and share. I really appreciate it when you do. Thanks very much for being here, and I'll see you again next time. This is Rick Ray, signing out.